Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to talk to you about my experience here at the 2024 Power Platform Conference in Las Vegas, Nevada. I am staying at the MGM Hotel, the very spot in which we had the conference, and I want to tell you, it was great. Um, there's a couple of different things I want to share with you that I took away from the conference that I think that all of you, especially all of you who are Power Platform developers, whether you make Canvas apps, work with D365, Power Automate, no matter what you may specifically use within Power Platform, I think you'll be excited about it, and I want to share with you. So let's start talking about it. All right. So, one of the very first things I will say about this conference is this is my very first conference, and I learned a lot. One thing that was very evident from the conference this year was that they were very heavily pushing Copilot. Everybody here, all the speakers were definitely Copilot evangelists. And so Copilot is something that's going to be very, very ingrained and infused, and something that is going to be really, really pushed, that we as developers really, really take full advantage of it. There was a lot of low code, no code examples that even have the ability, they're working right now. I don't know if it's out right just yet, but the ability for you to be able, as you're working, as you're making different specific copilots, instead of having to actually have type out your prompts and things of that nature, that you can talk to your copilot and it will be able to create the logic needed for your copilot. One thing that I'm really excited about, that I want to tell you about, is as far as Power Automate is concerned, they have listened to all of the feedback that they have received down through the years about Power Automate not being very responsive, being kind of slow, a little bit clunky at times. And they have worked. There should be an update coming out really, really soon that should make working with Power Automate a whole lot faster and quicker. And it should also, another thing it's going to do is allow you to be able to have more than one editor within your browser. Now, for those of you that have been using Power Automate, one of the different things that I've done to kind of deal with this issue is I have two browsers, one where I'm editing and another one where I actually run and test out my flows. Being able to have two panels open, that's going to be a game changer. So that's really, really exciting. I think the future is bright as far as Power Platform is concerned. And so I definitely would encourage you, if you can come to the conference again, if you can come to the conference next year, if you came to the conference this year, definitely I would encourage you to come again. I'm definitely going to try my very best to come back out here. It's going to be right here in Las Vegas, Nevada, October the 28th through the 30th, right here at the MGM Grand Hotel. And I am really, really looking forward to it. Another thing is, if you may not know this, and I want to share with you, is that we had a guest speaker. We had a plethora of really, really smart, intelligent Microsoft Power Platform enthusiasts, MVPs, who gave really, really inspiring and really, really detailed, informative presentations on their particular subject. But we had a keynote speaker, Trevor Noah. Now, you may know Trevor. He is a comedian and things of that nature, but he is also a technology enthusiast, and he has been doing some research when it comes to AI, society's views and their thoughts about it. And I believe he's working with Microsoft. And as a result of that, he was able to give some really, really good insights on how we as Power Platform developers and users should really have the right mindset when we are developing solutions for our clients, our customers, and the different end users that we are supporting. So I definitely encourage you to go ahead and check out, do a little bit of research on the work that Trevor Noah is doing. And I believe you'll be pleasantly surprised. We all know that he's very smart, very articulate, whatnot. And I think that you'll be very pleasantly surprised. So in essence, I want to let you know I had a great time here in Las Vegas, Nevada at the conference. And I definitely encourage you, if you have been thinking about attending the conference, a little bit on the fence about it, don't know if you should, you definitely need to do it. The other thing I want to encourage you that has been really, really great for me is when you do come, whether it's the Power Platform Conference in 2025 or any other conference that you're going to as a software engineer, is that you make time to make connections with other people, network, get out of your comfort zone, talk to people. You never know who you will meet, and you never know what doors it may open up for you. So I just want to share these things with you concerning my experience at the 2024 Power Platform Conference, Community Conference. It was great. I thoroughly enjoyed myself. I learned a lot. And I believe that if you attend next year, you will enjoy yourself and you will learn a lot as well. As always, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video. Blessings.